Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are fine and you are doing best in your life. May Allah bless all of us. Today in this video, I want to share power of Istighfar, miracle story of Istighfar. If we keep saying Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, keep remembering our sin, keep asking for forgiveness, so our all matter of life will become good and our life will become happy and prosperous, inshallah ta'ala. A sister says, when I was 20 years old, my life was very good. I was happy in my home. I am a single child of my parents. My parents were very good. They loved me, they cared for me, and they always supported me. The life was very happy and prosperous. We all were very happy in our home. Suddenly, my parents died in one of accident. Now I became alone in my home. That was the dark period of my life. I really missed my parents and so many people around me. They helped me, supported me, and my neighbors also supported me. But I really felt that I am alone now. After that, my uncle, my father's brother, who saw that I am alone in my home and my home is big, so they came to live in my home with his family, his wife and children. In beginning, their behavior was good with me, but after that, they started teasing me, and they said to me that I had to do this work, I had to complete this task, and I kept doing all home chores alone. Their behavior so worse. I really, I was really upset. I wanted to leave that house, and one day, my auntie scolded me and behaved very worse with me. Then my auntie said to me, leave our home, and they pushed me out from the home. After that, I did not have any choice to stay there because she was not opening the door. So I went to my mother's brother home, my uncle home, and I started living with him. My uncle behavior was good with me, but my auntie, my uncle's wife, was not happy with me because she says that your uncle's job is not so good. We are also living in a worse situation. We didn't have so much to feed you, to look after you, to bear your expenses. So her behavior was very worse. Sometimes I was so disappointed and I was trying to do suicide, but I was unable to do that. In that scenario, one day when I was searching some amal and zikr, and I was watching videos on YouTube, I saw one of the video where a person says recite 7,000 times istighfar daily. If you keep reciting this, all the problems of your life will be ended and unseen help will come to you. So when I listened this, I listened many miracle stories of Istighfar. I thought I should recite it. And I started reciting 7,000 Astaghfirullah daily. Only one word, Astaghfirullah, have to recite 7,000 times. So I started reciting this. I kept reciting. After few time, I thought I should gather my elders, my relatives, my uncles and aunties, and I have to tell them that my father's brother has occupied my house and they are living there forcefully and they have pushed me out from my own house. So I called everyone, I talked to them and I said them, I really need your help. Please talk to my father's brother. One day they all came to my uncle's home and they also called me and they said, and all the elders of our family talked to my uncle that this is illegal and we will file the report in police station if you don't give her house to her, or if you want to stay here, so just pay the rent of this house to her every month. When the uncle listened to this, so my uncle thought that it is better to pay the rent of this house other than I have to go to the police station. So my uncle said, okay, I will give 45,000 as a rent of this house and I will transfer this amount in her account. And she said, I received 3 months rent in my account. My uncle paid amount of 3 months rent in advance and I received in my account. When I received this amount in my account, so my auntie was surprised to see that I am receiving such a big amount, 45,000 rupees per month. And as she knew that her husband is not doing well work, he was doing little things and earning a small amount. So started behaving with me very well. He started looking after me and he started caring for me. And just because of reciting Astaghfirullah, my uncle and auntie started loving me. My uncle's behavior was very good, but my auntie's behavior was not good. But alhamdulillah, now my auntie also loved me, cared for me, and just because of reciting Astaghfirullah, I am living happily, and the stress, the problem was ended, and now I am mentally relaxed. So just because of this recitation of Istighfar, it's changed my life completely. Alhamdulillah. I am continuing my zikr and I keep reciting this. Alhamdulillah. Inshallah ta'ala, all matters and affairs of life will be good if I keep reciting this. It is my firm belief. So I will not stop reading Istighfar. Keep doing Istighfar. Keep saying Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah 7,000 times daily. So inshallah ta'ala, everything will be good in your life. All the problems will be ended. And you will also experience miracles in your life. May Allah bless all of us. May Allah accept our prayers. Ameen. Jazakallahu khairah.